What are the adjustment of status or green card options for DACA recipients? The main way is through advanced parole. This is how it would work. If you are a dreamer, let's say you entered the country as a child without status, without a visa, and now you're married to a U.S. citizen or a permanent resident, and you want to be able to adjust your status inside the country. Well, that requires either that you entered legally, or that your spouse has served in the military, or that you have suffered abuse or violence in the marriage, or that someone petitioned for you before 2001. But if none of those things are true for you, then what you could do in your DACA status is apply for advanced parole. That's permission to travel outside of the country. Right now you can base that on humanitarian reasons like visiting a sick relative, or educational reasons like a study abroad program, or employment reasons like if your company wants to send you to a conference in another country. So you get this advanced parole permission, you leave the country, and you come back in with a permit to re-enter. Now all of a sudden you have a legal entry and you can adjust status through your marriage to a U.S. citizen. One thing I will mention is that this advanced parole ability is probably going to be limited sometime in the future, because one of the most recent DACA decisions, the judge took issue with the advanced parole under humanitarian, educational, employment reasons. So we might see that go away. What that means for you is that if you're a DACA recipient, you don't have a legal entry into the country, and you're considering or you are married to a U.S. citizen, you should definitely consult with a lawyer about advanced parole as a way for you to be able to adjust status.